Study nature, love nature, stay close to nature. It will never fail you. Frank Lloyd Wright. Let Microbio help explain how plants, minerals, and soil life work together to allow you to grow the most nutrient-filled food possible, and how our billions of microbes help make this process easier and more efficient. It's all about the biology of the soil, and here is why it is so important. Plants take in nutrients from the soil through water, but the nutrients have to be able to be dissolved in the water so that they can be pulled up by the plant roots. There is a considerable amount of plant nutrients that is wrapped up in organic matter and rock minerals. These aren't soluble, so plants cannot use them. Over time, the soluble nutrients in the soil are used up, and plants have to figure out how to receive the nutrients from the organic matter in the minerals. At Microbio, we offer new solutions to modern agriculture. We've collected beneficial microbes from all over the planet and packed 35 plus of them into our formulas. Because of our holistic approach, our products are on the cutting edge of synergistic farming, where less input of non-natural products produces more in terms of growth and yield. The functions of Microbio microbial soil amendments are biological nitrogen fixation, phosphate solubilization, mobilization and mineralization of available plant nutrients, phytohormone production, saprophytic competence, soil pH, reducing the salinity in soil. So how do you get to these nutrients? Acidic soil can sometimes break these nutrients down naturally, but most of the time the bacteria and fungus in the soil have to break the nutrients free for the plant to use. With Microbio, we introduce billions of beneficial microbes that help break down these nutrients. One way they do this is through reducing the salinity of soil. The microbes break down the organic matter in soil into organic acids, which combines with other matter in the soil, such as salt, which allows plants to take in more nutrients while also taking in less salt. When you use synthetic or chemical fertilizers and pesticides, it kills off all the beneficial organisms in the soil, including the ones that can release the nutrients that aren't soluble. This is why you have to continually apply chemical fertilizer to feed your plants. The goal of Microbio is to help stimulate the living organisms in the soil with our microbes so that they release those nutrients and make the soil its own fertilizer. One problem with this is that one kind of bacteria doesn't necessarily release one kind of nutrient from one specific source. There are millions of different bacteria and protozoa, and they all have different jobs in releasing nutrients for plants. For example, you need a plumber to fix pipes or a carpenter to fix any roofing problems, and it's the same thing with biology. Luckily, the system is designed to do this so that plants take up water and nutrients in the roots and also send sugars called root exudates down into the soil to feed the bacteria and fungus. An example of this could be, let's say, a plant needs some zinc or carbon. The plant will send certain sugars through its roots to feed a certain type of bacteria that's able to release zinc or carbon, so the plant takes up the zinc or carbon and can continue to grow without being stressed. The plant feeds the specific material releasing bacteria. The bacteria mineralizes the material and the plant takes it up. Microbio helps speed this process up as the billions of beneficial microbes break down nutrition, which makes the system more efficient. Why does this make food better? Plants receive nutrients through their roots and are photosynthesizing to create new compounds to keep themselves growing and healthy. Plants create carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and many other useful compounds just like humans. Most common fertilizers make it easy for plants to create carbohydrates, but fats and proteins are longer and more complex compounds. This makes them more difficult to synthesize because they require a complete set of 30 to 60 different minerals in the soil in the right quantity in order to be created. The microbes in Microbio help stimulate the soil, allowing the soil to naturally create more complex compounds quicker and more efficiently. Why does this make you healthier? Microbio microbes help provide the full range of nutrients and minerals your plants need so that they can build more protein and fat. Microbe will also help your plants build more minerals, vitamins, phytochemicals, and any essential oils they need. This means your plant system will be fully functioning and create longer chained compounds naturally. Not only that, but Microbio will also boost your plant's resistance to things like pest and disease. Many organic biological growers see no pest in their fields when things are going well, and Microbio's microbes help to make this process easy and achievable for everyone. When you use Microbio, you are introducing billions of beneficial microbes into the soil that help create healthier soil by breaking down nutrients and streamlining everything in the plant system. This leads to healthier soil, plants, environment, and people because there are less harmful chemicals in the soil and environment. So go out and grow your own nutrition with Microbio, and keep in mind the complexity that goes behind creating healthy soil and plants. At Microbio, we believe in helping farmers grow soil by harnessing the power of nature to drastically increase crop yields and produce sustainable food sources. Our products are organic, non-GMO, and non-toxic, which makes them safe for use around humans, pets, and livestock. Join us in creating a lifestyle of health and sustainability, a billion microbes at a time. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein.